What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Polkadot. We are doing 6 videos today and taking some requests. We're doing Cardano, Polkadot. We've also got, the channel favorites, Ethereum, Polygon, all the ones that get requested a lot. We're trying to do 6 videos today, basically outlining a quick update for a lot of cryptos that everyone's been requesting. So if you do request a video, please check back today on the channel. We're most likely doing your cryptocurrency that you've suggested. And if we didn't do it today, we most likely did it the other day as well. So just taking a look at Polkadot then. We can see quite clear market structure here. We've obviously had our descending wedge, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. We come down and we actually, I think this is probably just eyeballing it. Let me take a look here. From the low of the previous, where we got impulsive here, our low all the way up to our high. We've actually retraced pretty much perfectly to the 618, which a lot of cryptocurrencies actually did. So really bullish to see this, obviously. For continuation, it looks like we tried to hold that 0.50 for a while here. We actually held the 318 here for a while. Look at the confluence. Look at the confluence of these levels. This is absolutely insane. So we've got the 023. Very a lot of support here for continuation. We fell down. We're holding the 318 here for continuation again. Another band of resistance and support. We drop down to the next level in between the 050 here, trying to hold this as support, and then we actually fall all the way down to the 618, and then we get the bounce. Like the confluence of these Fibonacci levels, if I could actually, not just undo them and completely destroy what I was just talking about. The confluence of these Fibonacci levels here on this chart is actually insane. They're getting respected absolutely to the dollar, aren't they? And basically what you can see is, if we just get rid of that now, you can see obviously we had our range here, came down in May, we formed our range, something like this. We actually come all the way down to around, what is this? $16-ish. We come all the way back up. We form our range high pretty much, as you can see here with our candlesticks. We come all the way down, roll over, touch the bottom of the range, which we actually formed here in this descending wedge. We come all the way down. We fake out to the downside, which is what Bitcoin essentially did when it broke below 30k, and everyone's saying we're in a bear market, but we clearly weren't. And since then, Polkadot's just been making absolute waves, hasn't it? Let's just take a look at how much gains this is. Coming up to around, a 2.5x here. Basically attacking that range high, aren't we? It does look as though we have almost touched it. If you look here, you can see, you could technically say this is probably the top of the range, but if you look at that previous level of resistance here, previous level of support, sorry, in this area here, flipped into resistance, you can see pretty much what's happened here. We obviously used to be trading above it, and now we've come down and we're getting stuck underneath it. And you can see it's quite clear that we are getting a bit of resistance in this area, because we have been, running up massively, haven't we? And a lot of cryptos now, they are basically retracing and having a nice little back test of support, aren't they? Because we have been getting really overextended, and we will keep saying this. There's a lot of people in the comments going, we're just going to keep going, stop fudding. And it's like, look at this price action. This is just up, and not really any cooling off whatsoever, which is really what we need to see for continuation. Because otherwise we'll just come up and then we could just fall straight back down because we haven't made any support. So just something to be aware of, obviously. But you can see quite clearly, we bounced on that 618. We come up, we broke out the 20, we broke out the 50, we flipped bullish on our EMAs. We've come all the way up pretty much to the range high here, got rejected, and now we're just, hopefully consolidating in this nice little area of previous structure here, where we can make, potentially, hopefully a week or so of nice little consolidation before retesting, hopefully, and running up some more, because we really do need to see a bit of a pullback here to retest in previous support. Maybe at this 20 EMA here, which would be a really good bullish support, or, you know, the 55 as well. Come back down, retest these before getting that push to the upside, because, you know, things looking really good, aren't they, for this reversal? But we do want to see that higher low being made as well. We've got a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And now we've made our higher high. We really want to make that higher low and then a higher high, so we can see that full reversal of the trend. You see what I'm saying? Because until we see that higher low, we could always just come back down and come lower and just keep going down. So we do need to see, you know, that structure and that market support holding for continuation. So really quick updates today. So we'll just wrap this up nice and quick. We do think in the short term, obviously this retracement does need to happen, we think. And there is a strong amount of support, we would say, in and around this $20 level. Obviously that's a key psychological number. That would coincide nicely with the 20 EMA here. And we've also got the 55 as good support as well. Could potentially roll back to these as a really nice support. But obviously you can see quite clearly here in and around this $19, $20 level. A lot of key support for Polkadot. If it comes back down, you know, retests and then has another push looking for that price target, we would say at around 28, maybe going up to around $30, which would, you know, be essentially coming up to the top of our range. You could say $30 there if we just drag that up a bit. That would probably be our price target over the next week or so. We back test and then we get heading for this target here. That was what we would say. Because we've flipped our whole structure of our market, haven't we? It's looking really bullish. So, and then obviously by the end of the bull run, if we just take a look here at some fib extensions of our recent move here, you can see drag it from the top to the top of the recent move to the bottom of the recent move. We're coming up and looking for some fib extensions here. A lot of people calling for around a $200 Polkadot, I think, based on these fib extensions, which is very possible here. Coming up, you know, about halfway up our 227 extension. Very, very possible indeed, we would say. Obviously, in the last impulsive move that Polkadot had, you can see that we came up way further than that. We actually got really, really overextended here from the 227. You can see we actually came up to the 227 here. Basically hit a lot of resistance, but we just kept running, didn't we? So, I mean, if we did go fly past the 227, we'd be looking at a monstrous market cap, which doesn't seem likely. But we do think that around that $200 price target would be very, very achievable for Polkadot. Considering we already hit $50, that'd only be around a 4x from that all-time high, which is very, very achievable in our opinion. Maybe upwards of $250, maybe $300 coming up to these fib extensions. This fib extension lines up with about $400. So we're not saying that this is definitely nailed on, and it is quite unlikely considering the size of the market cap of Polkadot. But we do strongly believe that this is a top quality project, and we do realistically think it could probably do a 3 or a 4, maybe a 5x of its all-time high, especially if Ethereum currently at around you know, its all-time high is around $4,000, and we're looking for around 15 or 20k for that, which would be, you know, around a 4 or a 5x. So realistically, we could say for Polkadot as well, looking for around a 4 or a 5x from the all-time high, coming up to around $200, maybe $250, somewhere in that region for a long-term price prediction. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.